And the gentleman from Kentucky is recognized.
Madam Chair, I yield 3 minutes to the gentleman for Virginia, the bill's sponsor, Mr. Griffith.
The gentleman is recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Everyone in this body knows someone who's been affected by the drug overdose epidemic. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in 2022, there were more than 107,000 overdose deaths in the U.S. 67% of those deaths involve synthetic opioids like fentanyl. Right now, fentanyl analogs are considered Schedule I substances, but only because of a series of scheduling orders which expire on December 31st, 2024. Since we put that temporary order into place, we have seen a reduction in the trafficking of the fentanyl analogs into our country. According to a 2021 GAO report, fentanyl analogs coming into the U.S. dropped by 90% in the year that we did the temporary scheduling. This bill aims to curb overdose deaths by permanently scheduling fentanyl analogs as Schedule I substances. This will strengthen law enforcement's ability to prosecute fentanyl traffickers and act as a deterrent. The HALT Fentanyl Act also promotes research. This is something new. Research by removing barriers to the research. In the Energy and Commerce Committee, we heard that there are as many as 4,800 potential analogs. Our experts at NIH, FDA, and other agencies have studied roughly 30 of the 4,800. By encouraging research of Schedule I substances like fentanyl analogs, we can better understand how these substances work and how we may prevent potential harmful impacts in the future. Because fentanyl has a proven medical use, fentanyl itself has a proven medical use, it is considered a Schedule II narcotic. But illicit derivatives of fentanyl, also called fentanyl analogs, currently have not demonstrated medical value. Let me be clear. This bill will have no impact whatsoever on a physician's ability to administer fentanyl in proper medical scenarios. HALT deals specifically with fentanyl analogs, not fentanyl itself. The DEA has said that permanently scheduling fentanyl analogs is their top legislative priority. We must not allow this temporary extension to expire. On Monday, the Biden administration released a positive statement regarding the bill. In the statement, they supported the provisions I just described, permanent scheduling and streamlined research. The Biden administration did recommend a few other items they would like to see related to fentanyl analogs, and I'm open and willing to have these discussions, but that is not this bill. Madam Chair, we should vote to advance this bill that we agree on and that does help stop the bad guys, particularly those bringing these substances over the border. Once fentanyl analogs are permanently made Schedule I, Congress will continue to build off this work and continue to address the illicit fentanyl crisis. These large numbers that we've seen on fentanyl deaths and fentanyl analogs are because of these drugs coming across the border. They're 100 times more potent than morphine and 50 times more potent than heroin. Why would we not take every step possible that we can to stop it?
It's expired.
I yield back and thank the gentleman.